This is a physics revolutions problem. Easy. You are in outer space with a friend. You use a device to launch a frisbee at your friend at 10 miles per hour. The frisbee completes 3 revolutions per second. Your friend is 120 feet away. How many revolutions does the frisbee complete before your friend catches it? How many feet does it travel in 1 revolution? I use the conversion factor 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. We need to convert 10 miles per hour into feet per second. We have 10 miles per hour. We have 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. We have, so that cancels miles and gives us feet. Now we need to cancel hours and have seconds left over. So we have hours in the denominator, so we have 1 hour in the numerator. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now we've gotten rid of hour, we have minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Minute cancels, we are left with seconds in the denominator. Using a calculator to multiply that out, we end up with 44/3 feet per second. Now we use the formula time is equal to distance over rate. We have a distance that your friend is 120 feet away. The rate at which the frisbee travels towards him is 44/3 feet per second. This gives us time, which is equal to 90/11 seconds, or 8.18 seconds. Now with significant figures, you typically want to keep one extra figure in your ambiguous calculations. Or I'm sorry, not ambiguous calculations, but in your intermediary calculations. So we're not going to round that off to 8.2. Our frisbee rotates at 3 revolutions in 1 second. We multiply it by the time that it takes to get to your friend. Seconds cancels and we're left with how many revolutions it takes, or how many revolutions it completes. It completes 24.5 revolutions. However, the question says, how many revolutions does the frisbee complete? So that half of revolution is an incomplete revolution. And even though it's 0.5, you do not round up, because it has not done 25 revolutions. It has only completed 24. So your answer is 24 revolutions. The next question asks, how many feet does it travel in 1 revolution? We know the frisbee travels 3 revolutions per second. If we divide both by 3, we know that the frisbee rotates, it completes 1 revolution in 1/3 of a second. Multiply that by 3, in 1 second, it travels 3 revolutions. So we have 1/3 of a second, which is how long it takes to complete 1 revolution. So we have 1/3 of a second times the speed at which the frisbee travels, which is 44/3 feet per second. The seconds cancel and you're left with 44/9 feet. Using a calculator to put that into a decimal answer, you get 4.9 feet per revolution. The frisbee travels 4.9 feet in 1 revolution.